Hey guys, I'm relatively new to Mac. I don't use it very often, so let me show you how I can get Visual Studio Code started on this. So here is the download off of the Visual Studio Code website. Screenshot there. Let's just double click that, have that expand back out, and you have a nice application file. You can run it here, but typical path is to drag it to your applications folder. So let's go ahead and do that now. There it is, and let's grow this. So now that we've run this, we have installed to the internet. Obviously you want to open it. Let's say open. Here is your basic hello world. So let us set up some extensions. And so we are coming here and we have to go ahead and install some basic things like let's install Python, the Python extension, as you can see from this extension tab right here. And then after this, you install this Jupyter, which you install it right there. Perfect. Now you're going to perhaps close this and reload it, and we will reload this again. New folder, hello world, settings, I trust the authors, and then you can look for inherit. Please make sure to do not inherit this if you want to run this on macOS. Apparently problems. From this hello world, we can then create a new file, which is in this case a Jupyter Notebook. Let's rename this hello world Jupyter. And then we do a print hello world. And then you hit, what you can also need to do is do Command-Shift-P for selecting the interpreter. You have to select an interpreter to match the path, and then you pick this content environment you just created. Now that you've done that, you can do a run, select kernel, or let's say this YouTube demo kernel. You can install this kernel that you might need, which is hopefully part of the Jupyter extension package. Now let's try this again. We have this hello world. Welcome to this hello world setup showing that Jupyter Notebook works with Python here. Print, here I am, true. Perfect. So you have proof that this works, and here you go. So just getting you started. Please like and subscribe. Thanks so much. Bye now.